It depends. So if you are thinking to yourself that I want to continue to sell this product, then I run a lightning deal to liquidate stock and PPC to liquidate stock. And I will drop my price to my break-even point and just try and sell it as quickly as possible. The reason I do that is because I want the SEO link juice, I want the sales to run through Amazon, and that's all good stuff to do. If, however, I don't want to sell the product anymore, and I'm just thinking I want to liquidate my stock and get out of this niche, then I tend to use daily deal websites. So the best way to find the right daily deal website, because there's like hundreds of them now, is to Google it. And what you want to do is daily deal plus your niche. So plus, for instance, skincare. That's what I would do. So go for that. So Groupon, for instance, consistently very, very good. Find the daily deal website that has your audience on it. Very, very important. Don't just choose one. Do your research. See which 1, 2, or even 3, depending on how much stock you've got, are the right ones to use, and then run a daily deal to clear your stock out and just get rid of it. And the other thing you can think about doing as well is doing a removal order to get your stock taken out of Amazon and sending some over to a different marketplace and launch it in a different marketplace. So you could think about that too, Carl, as a strategy, but that's exactly what I would do. Hey, thanks so much for watching that video, and I hope that you got some massive value from it. Before you go, do you live in Australia? If you do, this is for you. Would you like to learn how to sell things on Amazon here in Australia? Would you like to know what sells really, really well and what sells for the maximum amount of profit? Would you like to know where you can source those products from, whether that be in China or here in Australia, and how to source them so you pay bottom dollar and get maximum value for what you're doing? If you do, please subscribe to my channel and like this video, and you'll learn that and much, much more. It's the exact same information that people like Jeff from New South Wales have used to make $45,000 a month on Amazon, that Sue, who's from the sunny coast, has used to purchase herself a brand spankly BMW every single year as a result of her e-commerce business, and the lovely Kate from Bowral in New South Wales has used to make $32,000 a year on, a month, not a year, a month on Amazon, and indeed Anthony, who makes $15,000 a month on Amazon, selling, as he puts it, odds and sods. If you'd like to learn the exact same information that they use to maximize their profits for their Amazon businesses, subscribe to this video, like my channel, post below if you want me to teach you something. Okay, I'm out of here. Speak to you soon. Bye. Subscribe. Do it now.